Hello everyone, my name is Oshadha Sankalpa, and in this video I am with my point of sale system which I developed as a requirement internet for internet technologies module, and actually this is our minor project. And okay, let's see how this point of sale system functions. And let's first navigate to customers section. Okay, now we can add customer by hitting on add customer field, and I'm going to add a customer here. I'll give it 40,000 as the salary, and let's say Kaludara, and hit on save changes, right? Okay, let's add another customer here. So let's say 60,000 as his salary. Aludema, right? Let's say as 45,000, and here we say Moratua as his address, and hit on save changes. And in here we can even uh, search customers by giving customer ID, and let's say C002 customer, and search. And let's say you want to make a change to any of these fields, uh, to any of these fields. Let's say I want to uh, change his salary to 80,000, and hit on save changes. So as you can see here, that was updated, right? And let's say I want to delete this customer. So first I have to search him by his giving his customer ID, and let's say I want to delete that customer. I hit on delete, and right. So now you can see the table's been updated, and the customer was deleted, right? The same way we can add items as well. Let's add uh, items. I'll say apple, and as the unit price, let's say 2000, 200, sorry, and let's say 40 as the quantity, right? Let's say oranges, and let's say price as the 400 rupees, and 50 as the quantity. Okay, now let's add banana here, and as the price I'll say 120 rupees, and we have like 20 bananas. And just like in the customer section, we can search items by giving item ID, right? So search the item, and let's say I want to change the unit price to 150 here, and let's say quantity as the um, 30, and hit on save changes. Now you can see the unit price was changed to 150 rupees, and quantity was changed to 30. Let's say I want to delete a banana. So all I have to do is I have to give the item ID and search it, and hit on delete, right? So now you can see that banana was deleted. The item named banana was deleted, right? So let's move into orders section. As you can see here, order ID is also automatically generated. I forgot to mention in the customer and items section sense that the when you if you have noticed, the customer ID is being automatically generated here, right? So all we have to do is we have to fill out these details. And even if you take a look at items, the item details, item ID also is generated, right? Okay, now let's move to order section. Now order ID is automatically generated, and date is also generated, and I have to select the customer here, right? So let's say customer ID 2, and I have to select items here. Let's say Apple, and I have to give the quantity here. Let's say 5. Let's hit on add to cart. Now you can see the item was added to the cart. Uh, let's say oranges, and let's say I want 2 from oranges, and that also was added to the cart. And now we can see the total was generated as total was calculated as 1,800 rupees. And we can, let's say I'll give 2,000 from cash. So all I have to do is hit on save order button. Now let's see if the items quantity was changed. The let's see item table if the quantity is being changed. Now you can see apple 5 and orange 2 orange should be as you can see here, these amount should be uh, deducted, right? Okay. um, you can see as the order details, you can see order details here, right? So let's say let's go and see if the item yeah, right. As you can see, I selected uh, 2 oranges and 5 apples, and according to that the quantities were adjusted, right? Okay. um, that is about it, and I have validated all the details, all the fields here. And let's talk about the tech stack I have used here. I actually used JavaScript to develop this project, and Bootstrap framework, and then a little bit of CSS as well to add custom stylings, right? Um, and if you can see here, I have used MVC architecture here. Uh, see controllers and database and models. Let's see database. These are the databases. This is where our data is stored. Uh, these are the arrays that the data is stored. And another thing I want to mention here is this is a single page application, which means it it loads only one HTML page on one HTML page. And another thing I want to highlight here is that let's say I am on the now this orders this items section. Let's see what happens if I refresh the browser. Now you can see I was not directed to the home here, right? Because I have used session storage as object to make the change to the to this application, right? So that is about the tech stack here. And and you can see cart model, order model I have used, item model, and customer model. And this is where the controllers are, where everything is controlled. And that's it. Thank you.